Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I will show you the difference between N particle and traditional or legacy particle system in Maya. Let's start. Press F5 to go to Effects menu and expand the particle menu. You will find here this menu is divided into N particle and legacy particle. When you are creating N particle, the N particle are connected to nucleus solver. The nucleus is a unified dynamic system that is the part of enclosed. Another word you can say the nucleus solver is the brain behind the N dynamic system in Maya. The nucleus dynamic system and dynamics are used from the traditional dynamic system by the letter of N. So that N particle, N cloth, N rigids are the part of N dynamic system. And particles and rigid bodies are part of traditional Maya dynamics. Let's take an example to create N particle emitter. I will give the name N particle. And this is the nucleus solver is here in N particle system. And I press the create option. In the outliner you will get 3 nodes. First one is the emitter, second one is the particle is generated by the emitter, and last one is the nucleus node. Let's take the same example with the legacy particle system. Before that, I would like to divide outliner so that things do not get messy. Press Ctrl G, you can see one group node create in the outliner, and I am going to rename it legacy. Duplicate this node and move on the top of the particle node and rename it N particle. Now create a legacy particle. You can see nucleus node not present in legacy particle creation. You can see in the outliner legacy particle have 2 nodes. One is emitter and other one is particle node. I hope now you can differentiate between N particles and the legacy particles. In the next video, I will teach you working with the particle tools. Thanks for watching.